You know that feeling when you're gathered outside, the sun is setting, and all you want is a simple, reliable meal. But setting up a proper cooking station can be a massive headache. You spend 20 minutes wrestling with charcoal, dealing with uneven heat, and then you're left with a mess of tools and discarded coals. It takes too much effort just to get started, which really dampens the mood before the food even hits the grill. This griddle changed that equation entirely. I spent time testing out various outdoor cooking units, and I'm not sponsored by any of them, I just use what works. The problem with most portable cooktops is that they treat you like a temporary solution. You get a small footprint, but you lose the cooking surface area and the proper heat retention needed for actual family meals. When you're cooking for a group, you need robust performance without the massive setup. The grease management, for instance, is a critical detail. Trying to manage oil runoff manually is tedious and frankly, messy. I was constantly worried about charring things unevenly because the heat sources felt too spread out. But after using this specific unit, I noticed several functional advancements. First, the omnivore plate technology really helps maintain a consistent cooking temperature across the entire surface. Second, having two independently heated burners means I can, say, keep the veggies simmering while searing the meat at a higher temperature. Third, the rear grease management system is a huge convenience, it just collects the runoff for simple disposal. Fourth, the inclusion of a protective hood is smart for transport. Fifth, and this is a big one, the compact size means it stores easily. When I looked at top-tier models from competitors, I was seeing units priced near $400, but this unit is priced at only $15.99. It's a major value proposition. If I have to state one minor drawback, it is that for a very large gathering, the 361 square inches, while spacious, might feel a little snug. But overall, the function outweighs that minor point by a lot. Picture this, it's Saturday afternoon. The air is warm, smelling faintly of hickory smoke and grilling spices. You've set up the griddle on the patio, and the surface is radiating even heat. You flip the first batch of pancakes, and the sizzle sounds sharp and satisfying. Everyone is gathered around, passing plates of fresh food, the steam rising up into the gentle breeze. It just feels easy, relaxed, and genuinely enjoyable. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.